Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to extract 7Z files using PeaZip on Windows. First, open Google Chrome. Now search for the 7Z file that you want to download. Choose a trusted download source and click the download button. After the download is complete, the 7Z file will normally be saved in your downloads folder. Now open File Explorer and go to the downloads folder. Find the downloaded 7Z file and right-click on it. Select PeaZip and then click Extract. An extraction window will now appear. Here, you may see options such as Output, Function, and Password. The Output option lets you choose where you want the extracted files to be saved. For a simple extraction, you can keep the default location. Under Function, keep the extraction option selected. If the 7Z file is password protected, enter the password in the password field. If there is no password, simply leave this field empty. Now click OK or Extract to start the extraction. PeaZip will extract the files from the 7Z archive to the selected location. When the extraction is complete, open the Output folder and you can access the extracted files. So extracting a 7Z file with PeaZip is very easy. Just download the 7Z file, open it with PeaZip, select Extract, choose the output location if needed, and start the extraction. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.